It is time to switch from Windows to Linux Ubuntu, especially if your computer does not support Windows 11. Because from October 2025, Microsoft will no longer support Windows 10, which means that your computer becomes a toy for hackers and scammers. It is super easy to switch to Linux. Probably you know that Linux has hundreds, even thousands, different distributions or branches, and Ubuntu is one of the most popular distribution or branch of Linux with the best user interface, and it is super easy to use. It almost looks like Windows. Let us get started. Open your browser to download Ubuntu. Type Ubuntu download. Download Ubuntu desktop. Here you have for Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. So in my case this one is the right one. Click on download. Now this is going to take a while. Beautiful. Ubuntu Linux is downloaded. Now next we need a tool to create bootable USB flash drive. Rufus download. Click on it. Based on your platform 64 or 86, click on the standard type. For me it is 64, so I download this one. Very nice, it is done. Go to your download folder. Connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Select it, Ctrl X, and paste it here. Beautiful. Now double click on Rufus. It detected the USB flash drive automatically. You can change it from here or select it from here. Now boot selection, disk or ISO image. Select it. Now go to the ISO image that we have downloaded. Old file is this Ubuntu with the extension .iso. That is ISO image. Open it. Now here partition scheme, which one to select it. This is target system is only UEFI. And MBR is BIOS or UEFI. Right click on Windows logo, then click on Disk Management. Right click on your disk, go to Properties, and in the Properties go to Volume and see Partition Style. And the volume label, you can change it if you want, and the file system default, you can change it to NTFS, quick format. Now click on Start. All the data on this flash drive will be destroyed. It's okay, and this is going to take a while. Okay, beautiful. It is done. Close it. Now before you start installing Ubuntu, it is important to back up your data to make sure you don't lose your important personal files. You can back up your data on a separate drive or on an external disk or on a USB stick or USB flash drive. Restart your computer. We have to change the boot order so that the system or the computer boots from USB. So go to BIOS, click on F10. When you're in BIOS, go to System Configuration, Boot Options, and here you have UEFI boot order and legacy boot order. You can use F5 and F6 to move items up or down. Also change it for the legacy boot order. Bring USB up. F6 is for bringing up. USB boot is now disabled. Click on it and select it enable. Enable also the CD-ROM boot. Click enter and enable. Bring also the USB CD DVD ROM drive to the top. Do the same for the legacy boot order. Click on escape to exit the system configuration. Go to the exit and enter on exit saving changes. Enter again yes. Now click F9 or any option that you have for boot device options. Let us select the USB hard drive and click enter. Now here you have the option try or install Ubuntu. Ubuntu, save graphics, enter. Welcome to Ubuntu. Preparing Ubuntu. Welcome to Ubuntu. Choose your language. You can scroll around and find the language you want and then click on next. Beautiful. Accessibility in Ubuntu. Click on next to continue. Keyboard layout, for me English US. You can scroll up and down to select the correct keyboard layout. Click on next. Connect it to the internet. For now it is not necessary. Do not connect it to the internet. Next. What do you want to do with Ubuntu? Install Ubuntu or try Ubuntu. So the first option, install Ubuntu, and click on next. How would you like to install Ubuntu? Interactive installation, automated installation. It is best to choose interactive installation so that we can change stuff and customize it the way we want. So the first option, interactive, click on next. What apps would you like to install to start with? Default or extended? If you are really new in Ubuntu, it is best to choose extended. Select the one that is best for you and click on next. Install recommended. Again, if you are new in Linux, it is best to check this. Click on next. Now, how do you want to install Ubuntu? Erase disk and install Ubuntu. For advanced users seeking customized disk setup, select manual installation. Click on next. Here you see all the partitions. This one and below is your USB. This one and until here is your hard disk. It gave everything a new label, so here you can only know from the size which one is your personal file and which drive is the operating system. So this one is not. Click on minus to delete it. Now you see here free space, and this 150 gigabyte is the operating system, the Windows. Also click on minus to remove it. Also the other partitions with megabyte, those are also part of the Windows. Remove it. Do not remove anything from the flash drive. Here we have 150 gigabyte free space. For Ubuntu to work properly, we have to create at least 3 partitions. Click on free space to select it, then click on the plus icon. 125 use as ext4 mount point slash, which means root, and click OK. It automatically generated another partition for us for the boot partition, and we also need a swap area. So select it in the free space and click on the plus icon, use as swap, and click on OK. The swap area should be at least the size of your computer's memory. Mine is 16, so 23 is good. Now all these 3 are selected. Click next to continue with the installation. Create your account, your name, your computer's name, your username. You can change all of it and give a password. Check require my password to log in and click on next. Select your location, for example for me New York, United States. Review your choices. Beautiful. Now click on install. Beautiful. Ubuntu is installed and ready to use. Restart to complete the installation or continue testing. Restart now. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. So remove it and press enter. When you restart or turn on your computer, you might see something like this. If you want to log into Ubuntu, select the first option and enter. Beautiful. Now we are in the login page. Use your password to log in. Beautiful. Welcome to Ubuntu. View release notice. Click on next here. Ubuntu Pro. Enable Ubuntu Pro. Escape for now. And click on escape. And help improve Ubuntu. So I prefer to say no. Then click on next. Get started with more applications. Not necessary for now. Click on finish. So this is how you easily switch from Windows to Linux Ubuntu. That's it guys. If it was helpful, like the video, and if anything was not clear, write in the comments under the video and I will answer as soon as possible. Check out my channel. I have published many useful, helpful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects and with your everyday life. Take care and have beautiful times.